At first, I thought that rice was just a fun little treat for my chickens, a bonus snack on the weekends. But what if I told you that in just a few simple additions, I turned plain rice into a complete balanced meal for my flock? In today's video, I'm sharing how I transformed basic rice into a full, healthy meal that keeps my chickens strong, laying better, and happier, naturally, affordably, and with ingredients from my own kitchen. Stick around because I'll tell you what you can add, what to avoid, so you don't accidentally harm your birds. So first, why I wanted to make rice a full meal. Now, at first, giving rice felt like just spoiling them a little bit, like a little treat every now and then. But over time, I realized rice was easy to digest. It's actually a great energy source, and if you balance it right, it can cover protein, calcium, and vitamins as well, especially during times like molting, cold snaps, or heavy laying. I needed a way to give my girls something homemade, hearty, and boosting without expensive supplements. So after a one tough winter, when egg production dropped, I decided to rethink how I used rice, and the results were absolutely amazing. So, what you need to add to rice to make it a full chicken meal. Now, rice alone is not enough. Here's how I turned rice into a full meal for my flock. First, I added protein, which is crucial for eggs and feathers. So I added cooked scrambled eggs. They were cooled and they were fully chopped. If I didn't have cooked scrambled eggs at the time, I also added boiled lentils. And that were amazing as well, because I usually do lentil soup every 2 to 3 times a week. And if I didn't have lentils, I added a spoonful of canned tuna in water, and it boosts muscle strength. It boosts the laying as well and feather regrowth. Another thing that I added to rice is fresh greens or vegetables. These were the vitamins and the fiber. So I added chopped spinach, silver beet, whatever I had on hand as well. Cabbages are also amazing, carrot shreds, pumpkin bits as well. And I added also these wonderful greens, and they gave the vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants, which kept their immune system really strong and healthy. Another thing you can add to rice is calcium support, and this is really important for strong eggshells. So you can add the crushed baked eggshells, which I did as well. And also, whenever I had that on hand, I sprinkled just a little bit of crushed oyster shells to the mix. And what that did is it prevents weak, broken, or soft shelled eggs. Now, another thing that I added to the rice, which was optional, and these were just for that added health boost as well. You don't really have to, but it really does play a big role. So a tiny sprinkle of kelp powder for minerals, and I also use kelp for my own family. I just add a little bit of kelp powder to any of the soups that I make, as well as the sea salt that I have as at the same time, just as a iodine boost. And if you don't have kelp powder, you can add a tiny dash of either garlic powder or the cayenne pepper as well, and that is for immune boost, natural worm prevention. And that way, one thing that you should avoid to add to your rice mix is no salt, no butter, so seasonings. So I want you to keep it simple and natural. And I think I like building the chicken cubs, protein, greens, and missiles, always making happy face. Now, making a self-healthy is really the really brilliant. And here's my exact stack method on how I prepare the rice very safely. So here's what I mean. I cool the plain white oil rice. I do not add any seasonings. I let it then fully drain to burger truck. From then I just graze in a big mixing bowl. I start adding my chopped grains or veggies. I'm mixing it 30 in this place, either tuna, scrambled eggs, lentils, and then I sprinkle in the crushed shell shots. And I add optional boosters like kelp powder or garlic powder or cayenne powder. And then I serve as fresh and shallow dishes, and even scatter added one more in range rates as well. And if it's really funny, I just refrigerate rice 10 minutes before serving or cool treats we always result is happy chickens. So after eating my flock brings balanced rice boys to the intensity, here's what I do. I notice my sisters laying by even during the colder weeks. I also know the stronger eggshells as well. There was no lining or cracked eggs. And I noticed how feathers, they were glossy, they were filled, they were strong, and also Finally, happier, more active hens, and the moods were better with less bling as well. And when my older hens, and usually takes a break in winter, started laying within 2 weeks, but switching it with a full meal plan. Feeding your chicken isn't just about tossing the scraps that you have on your hand. It's about building a strong, healthy body that rewards you with better eggs, better feathers, and results as well. Comment below, have you ever been able for variation angels, and what's your fox favorite trend? Also, like this video if you are similar Z, and subscribe for more actual chicken rays and rapes as well. So grab by that like chicken and rice via your recipe reference link in the description box below. Take care. I'll see you on to the next video. Here, bye. Bye.